Hi, welcome to my channel. This video shows you how to change your oil and filter on a W210 Mercedes-Benz. The procedure is really very simple. You can do this in 1 to 2-3 hours depending on your experience. Just make sure you drive the car for 5 to 10 minutes to warm up the oil, the engine oil, so it drains faster. Then drive the car up onto ramps or jack up the front of the car and then secure the car on jack stands and chock the wheels, the rear wheels, after you have applied the emergency brakes. And then you just take the underbody cover off and remove the drain plug, unscrew it, and then take the filter off from the top. And as you can see here, replace the 4 gaskets. I use the MAN filter. It's a fleece type of filter, not paper, so it lasts longer. The package comes with more gaskets than you need. All you need are 4, starting with the largest to smallest. You take the old gaskets out and put in the new ones, and after about 30 minutes of draining, you just close the plug, the drain plug. First, of course, you put in the filter back in, and then you torque the filter cap. I have the torque values in the summary procedure, but I believe it's 25 Newton meters, which comes to, let me check, 18.44 foot-pounds, and the drain plug 30 Newton meters or 22.13 foot-pounds. And I usually use the W210 Mobile 1 formula, full synthetic oil. Be sure to use full synthetic oil. And fill the engine with about 7.5 quarts of oil. Then lower the car and run the engine for about 5 minutes so that you can have a more accurate reading of the level of oil in the engine. Then using the dipstick, you just measure how much oil is in and fill it up to the maximum mark on the dipstick, but make sure you don't exceed 8 liters of total oil, and that is if you're changing the filter also. 8 liters comes to about 8.45 quarts, so no more than 8.45 quarts. Here you'll see the filter, there are 2 clear lines there, so press it all the way in and you'll see that doesn't matter which way you go in, one of the lines almost hides in there. And so it's really very simple. The whole procedure, like I said, should not take you more than an hour, especially the second and third time. The more you do this, the faster you'll become. Good luck with this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them and I'll answer. I read every comment and I'll answer all your questions. Thank you again. If you find this video useful, please share, like, and subscribe so that I can produce more videos for you. Thank you and good luck.